Hi Jim, hi Susan. Jim, I know you're not doing so great, but hopefully this will make you feel a little better. I got the welder working, so I'm going to turn it on and show you how it's doing now that it's feeling better. Hopefully when you're feeling better, we'll be able to drop this off for you. So let me show you what we did. So it's got a pretty little post there for you, and you've got your delays. It's adjustable. Okay, and if I touch the button, it does its weld. Okay, with the button, and I made the stars a little bigger. And then we've got the external contact, right, which you were having trouble with. Bam, just like that. You gotta push it kind of firm. Okay, it's one shot, right? Pretty cool, huh? So hopefully when you're feeling better, we'll be able to get this back to you. I don't have a load hooked up to it right now, but I figure that's it is pulsing, so, but there's no load hooked up to it right now. But really hoping that makes you happy. I wish you all the best. We're hoping all the best for you. You get better soon, and come home and get you reunited with your welder.